Hi there, it's me, Chef Taylor here at the Lounge, the Little Cellars. Today we're going to be going through one of our lunch specials that's been doing just absolutely amazing. We've got our own little take on an In-N-Out burger. We're offering a single patty or a double-double with cheese. Let's come check a look. Here we've got two of our burger patties, nice thin quarter-pound patties. We're going to sear them up nice, a little salt, pepper, on the plancha. On the plancha. Thin sliced cheddar on top. There we go, take them off. Let's go assemble. Now to assemble the burger, we need to put some caramelized onions on top. A little bit of our house-made burger sauce. Got a nice garlic aioli base, some cornichons, ketchup, mustard, Worcestershire, and then some secret ingredients. Can't talk about on Instagram. All right, burger patty. Like all good In-N-Out burgers, lettuce, tomato. Perfect. Top it off, and let's roll it up. All right, this is our secret method for rolling these burgers. Take them, down the bottom, two, a little tuck, and there we have it, our In-N-Out double-double. Come in, give us a try on this burger. Tell us what you think. We're open Wednesday through Sunday for lunch, starting at 11. We'll see ya.